Okay, now I want to show you how to make assignments for web forms to play particular roles within the system. And in order to make these web form assignments, the first thing you do is click on the Web Forms Tools icon. That launches the Web Forms Tools window. And then click on Manage Assignments. Now from here you can add assignments by site. And in this site you can see we have 4 assignments made, or you can add a new assignment like this. Now let's just edit one of these assignments by double clicking it. And I want to show you, first of all, you pick Assign To. Now what that does is there's a drop down, and each one of these options that you might select is a particular role within the system. First application is the initial inquiry that candidates fill out to do the registration process, if your site is configured that way. Main application is the form that they fill out in order to be able to apply for jobs or to search jobs. Job search details is the form that you use to present the results of a job search. And so in other words, after the candidate searches for a job, this form is used to present the results. And you would use the same web form there as you use for job full details. And what that form is that's the form that you use in the administration part of the system to enter a job into the system. So when you're creating a job, that's the form that you use. And then when the candidate on the front side searches for a job and they see the results, you're using the same data essentially, but just in a different way. And then finally, the advanced search is the web form that you create and use to be able to search for candidates to search for a job on the front end. Now this particular one is the job full details. And so you can see that the web form we're using, we have a view of all the web forms that we've created in our site, and we're using the job data web form. So again, that's the same web form that we use to enter jobs into the system. We're going to use to pull the data out about the jobs. And then we pick a template. And in the next video, I'll show you how to create templates for web forms. But once I've done that, now I press save, and I'm telling the system that this web form is going to play this particular function, and it will be styled according to this template. And so that's kind of how that works.